Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking in the concert picture. Since alto sax is in ebb, written C hash yields a hash concert, so think transposition as you play. First, tune to 440 Hz so your embouchure and octave control are reliable. Make tiny adjustments to the mouthpiece placement if the pitch sits sharp or flat. Next, place your fingers for written C hash. Left hand index and middle, right hand index, and when needed, use the palm C hash key for higher registers. This gives the correct pitch and timbre. Once you have the fingering, shape the sound. Play slow, long tones on written C hash, sustaining for 8 to 12 seconds while moving from piano to forte to build control. Practice slurs and scalar transitions between C hash, D, and E flat to train smooth finger movement. Keep fingers close to keys to reduce delay. Also coordinate breath and tonguing. Use steady diaphragmatic air with a quick, light tongue to start notes cleanly. This combination ensures accuracy and consistent intonation. To finish, embed written C hash into musical context. Run scales, arpeggios, and common patterns at increasing tempos with a metronome so your fingers and ear cooperate. Record yourself, then listen for pitch drift or tone changes and tweak embouchure or reed placement accordingly. If you encounter squeaks or sharpness, try relaxing the throat, dropping the lower jaw slightly, and moving the mouthpiece out by 1 to 2 mm. This troubleshooting tip often corrects pitch and stabilizes the tone quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.